I'm providing free AI workshops to charities and non-profits. If you run or work for a charity that would be interested in free AI training, or if you know a charity, tag them in, then we should chat because we are setting up free AI workshops for charities and non-profits. Or if you just want to help out, make sure to like and comment on this so we get more reach. I do workshops for charities here in London, basically showing charities how they can start to use AI for things like fundraising applications, but there's just one of me. So recently I've started to license out my material and I have students who are learning how to use it and then they're going and delivering that material all around the world, like genuinely all around the world. It's such a global mix. I love it. As part of this, we want to expand the free sessions that we're going to be providing to charities. I have a number of students who are interested in providing these sessions. So now I'm putting the call out to find charities, non-profits and similar organizations who are interested in free AI workshops. They'll be delivered by my students using my exact materials. It would be an online workshop for 1 hour. So if you run or work for a charity and are interested in this opportunity, can you check the link in my bio? There's going to be a button in there which should say charity applications, and what we're going to be doing is collecting up people who are interested in this. From there, we'll link people up to my students and then we'll get you a workshop organized. If you don't work for a charity but still think this is a cool idea, then if you can engage with this post, maybe share it, maybe tag in a charity that you're a fan of, then we can get some reach and make sure that the charities know about this offer. Thanks everyone.